Hello everyone, back with another video, and I'm going to go and open a pack of Revolution. There's only 5 cards, and it says download Panini Dunk, so there's going to be some sort of online thing. There's a code here, you guys want it, and this is what possibilities where I can get from these. So. Alright, let me go ahead and open it. Haven't been doing a lot of research on these, so I'm not sure what to expect from these. Let's see what I get. Alright, picked it up earlier from the sports car store. Alright, let's see. This first card, you got a, oh nice, you got a Brandon Ingram. I'm not sure if this is the base cards or this is one of the base, I have no idea. And this is how they look like front to back. So, right, the second one, it's a Mike Conley. So, there's Conley. Look like I got, oh man, got a Dwight Howard at a 50. All right. And I'm not sure what these are called. Let me see. Does it say here? Let's see. Okay, so the base are Astrals groups, fractal impacts, base set on cosmic sunbursts, cubic lava. Alright, there's so much to read in here, I'm sorry. Well, yeah, it looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. I like the logo, how they put it on the bottom right here. You can see the Hornets logo and looks pretty sick. So, at a 50. Dwight Howard. Next, I have a Jordan Bell. Ooh. Jordan Bell, rookie. Look, oh man, these cards look pretty sick. Might pick up another one of these. And the last one is going to be a Rudy Gobert. So, alright, it's pretty much it. Let me go ahead and open these as a bonus. Who's one more Billy card? Oh, nice. They're putting a little envelope. Alright, let's see what I get. Oh, Jermaine O'Neal. Cool. Little jersey patch right there, and from Top Stadium Club. Beam Team. Nice. Not numbered, but still cool to have. And I don't think I'm going to open these. Yeah, maybe one of them. My video is dying, so my video's dying. My camera's dying. I'm sorry. Past 12 a.m. here. Going to AC. Nothing good. Alright, let's see. Nothing good in these, honestly. Oh, okay, we got a bonus shots from Racine. Oh, and it's numbered. Look at that. At a 149, so So yeah, so I don't really get to see anything crazy from these memorabilia boxes every time I open one. Yeah, prestige. But that's pretty cool. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you later.